this makes you smell rich, okay? My name's Kendra, if this is your first time here, and in this video, as you see from the title, we're going to be talking about the new, only 3-week-old Valentino perfume called Voce Viva. Okay, I don't know if I'm saying it right. Somebody correct me down in the bottom, but that's what it's called. I never took Latin, so that's the name of it. This is what it looks like, okay? This fragrance launched on September 4th, 2020. And it is available in Macy's, Sephora, Ulta, and Nordstrom's. Okay, I purchased it today, and I got the 3.4 fluid ounce, so that's basically double from the first one. I got this out of Macy's, and I ended up pre-sailing it, so I ended up getting 15% off, which ended up being $115 and some change. The original price on this is going to be $130 plus tax. So I actually made out better because the 1 fluid ounce one I think is only $100, $110 with tax. So I was better off making it with this one. So this is the packaging. All red. It's by Valentino, as you can see. And then this is amazing packaging. It has the V's here. Very, very amazing. Look at that. If this is not an amazing bottle, I don't know what is. This is super cute. And it has like these little, what they call them, spikes around it. This is so cute. Look at the bottle. This is a very sleek, cute bottle. Okay, this is amazing. I love this. Okay, and it just pops off. Like, look at this. It comes in on the side so you can hold it like that. That's so cute. And then it has the V's at the top. I don't even know if you guys can see that, but it has the V's at the top. And then you just pop it back on. Yes, ma'am. With this fragrance, it will dry down and you'll still be able to leave a little scent behind, okay? Let me tell you everything that's actually in it. It's going to be crystal moss, infused with a little hint of vanilla, orange blossom, golden gardenia, a sparkling Italian bergamot. I'll write it at the bottom just in case I said it wrong. Those are the ingredients that's in it. And honestly, I don't know if my scents are as keen as I think they are, but I swear to you, there's a little hint of ginger in this. Like, there's a little bit of ginger in this fragrance, but you could barely smell it. It's nothing that's gonna be like boom, okay? It's not a boom situation. It's just a, but I will definitely say that there is an orange blossom situation going on in there. Like that one you would definitely smell, for real, for sure. And if you're an older woman and you're in the office, this is actually not a bad scent for the office. Okay? This fragrance to me comes off as, for someone of the ages of, I'm going to say 23 to maybe 35. I'm not sure if older women would care for it. It's something that you really have to go in to one of the stores and kind of smell it yourself and kind of see. So if you're someone who likes designer fragrances and you're looking for something new, this is for you. You're going to get everything you need with this. You might get you a new boo. You might get you a ring/husband. Okay. This is just so amazing. Girly scent. It's not anything too grown or anything too young. It's kind of like a right in between. It's just like, I'm here. Okay. And I'm girly. If you are looking for a new fragrance, okay, Valentino Voce Viva is where you need to be, okay? This is where you need to be. She's only 3 weeks old, I had to look at my calendar. So she's only 3 weeks old, barely. She's not even a month. This is going to be your new best friend for spring or even fall. Like, this is your new fragrance. And when you get it, tell them Kendra sent you. So, all right, I will see you ladies in my next video. If there is a man on here, get this for your wife, get this for your girlfriend. Like, this is where you need to be. Valentino Voce Viva. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.